Hi guys, welcome to this Shaka channel, guys. So guys, I'm discuss one of the best topic about that. How we can convert into website to under application. So guys, this is not a customized mobile application. This is not a customized, not. Nothing but your website as is will be converted as a mobile app. It's a complete for web view, like when you're coming to how is opening for your website in mobile, same will open for the in application, not for the customize. Is it clear? We can visible. In this purpose, we can use this website for apps. We can use this in a particular website will be here. So this website will be using purpose of apps creation purpose, apps teaser. So in this website will be once you log in, click for dashboard. We have application will be two will be created. One is called earning purpose. Second will be individual purpose. This will be business clip, silent and engagement. This will be individual, create app to monetize and generating app revenue purpose. So right now, I'm only creating for my business purpose. Click for business website. Here, nothing to worry. No require any coding knowledge. Just you are placing this URL. Click this option. What are the future will be here? Save this option. Once I click this save, this is complete for business, not for earnings. I have to portfolio my business to the customers. Any I can send the API link, they will download and they will be coming to using for mobile application. This link will be particular one link also we can show to the customer. We can visible to the particular videos on the particular page. We can show to the customer also. Individual page also. Suppose simple. I can show only this page, course page. Simple course page will be visible. Which page we have to show in app, same page we can show to the particular app will be show to the customers. So refreshing preview, you can see this one. The particular page will be visible to the users. And the page mobile friendly compass important. If it's not there in mobile friendly, they can't show your mobile app also, not mobile friendly. So right now I'm showing only for home page. Click for save and click for this refresh button. This APK file is uploading for Google Play Store option also available. Means you can upload for a Google Play Store account. It's not a free. You have to purchase and upload the APK file. In this, what are your particular blog selected here? Enable push notification. Nothing but in a new upload content will be there. We can receive the updates and from application will be here. So this will be particular theme and this is the particular colors. Finally, you can go to where action tab required, click for action tab and tab color, bottom menu color and slider color. I'm selecting for common one. Click for next. Now, after that, you can writing for app name. IOM Academy is my app name. So setting is done. Next will be app name. Click for next. Default icon, custom icon. I'm selecting for custom icon 512 by 512 and crop it. The logo is your icon. Click for next and create your APK file. This file creation completely free. Nothing will be charged in the particular App Gypsum website. Here, download APK file was download through email. I'll scan this file also. Send app to email. They will be here. In this, what is the application will be here. We can go to this publish in your particular app in your Play Store also. They receive the mail. We can download that APK file also. So where we can promotions, download app, click for download it. So this is going to download procedure. here, this will be option. So download will be started into your particular desktop. This will be download procedure will be given the particular steps and follow the steps and install APK file into your particular website. This is not for customized app. If you want design any customize, go with the individual option. There is a supporting for creating for customized app also, wallpaper, browser application, so many options are there. This is only for business purpose. My website will convert into WebView app. How it is open for mobile version, same will be creating as a mobile app. To people will be easily install purpose. They get notification, any video uploading, they can clarity purpose. I have to create this app to the users. So this is the policy will be followed on the particular Android users. This app only for Android user will be valid. We can't create the iOS app through this apps Gypsy website. So you can, how many apps will we create? N number of apps will be create to using for dashboard. Just create app. Are you looking for business or individual? You can getting for YouTube app, Facebook message, Facebook page app, page, HTML code and RSS field. You are into very perfect in HTML. You can making using for HTML code also. So click for next, write HTML code and next they will display by the page will be here. So these are the patterns will be follow and the particular option will be here. So any people who are looking for a website as application, we can use it. This website will be usually free option. My APK file is download, particular 2 minutes time and 3 minutes time. We can install the Android application. They will be used on the particular platform. Here is a setting, change it and install the your particular app. They will be show as a mobile also. If anybody creating time, if you need customized application, how to create any queries about this website, app gypsers, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support. I next time I'm creating for how we can making for customized application without knowledge of coding, how do we can adding the theme buttons. So I'll show you and how we can make it. So most of the paid option websites are there. I'll checking with the free website and create a video within soon time. Any queries about this, you can ask me to my channel. Definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and ask any questions. I'll make the video. We'll connect you with the live and to WhatsApp or Skype. We'll clarify your doubts also. I'm any missing for your comment box and anything, you can ask me to the once again community section. I definitely will be support to you. Thank you. Thank you very much.